Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your credit card with TCGPlayer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you got a new credit card and you want to connect it to TCGPlayer. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, so make sure to stick around all the way till the end. Now the first thing that you're going to do is log on to TCGPlayer, and then you're going to click on this icon on the upper right hand corner, and then you're going to click on Manage Payment Methods. Once you click on Manage Payment Methods, this is where you're going to follow the on-screen prompts to enter your name, card number, expiration date, security code, billing address, first name, last name, country, address. So follow all of this information and then click on Add Card. And once you've done so, your credit card should be accepted onto TCGPlayer. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your credit card to TCGPlayer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.